My name's David Sweeney. I work at the Used Car Guys, as you can see. And if you're new to Germany or on your way soon, I want to tell you a little bit about our new Arrive and Drive program. So when you arrive to Germany, you need a house, you need a phone, you need to get a car, then you need to get financing, you need to get insurance, you need to do all the German custom stuff that you probably don't know about. But we can't help you with a house or a phone, but we can help you with the last stuff. Here at UCG, we only sell cars to the US military stationed overseas, and we've been doing it for 20 plus years, so we know all the processes inside out. With our Arrive and Drive program, you can actually reserve a vehicle before you get here, or just when you get here, maybe you're still in quarantine, and you can process the vehicle online too. When you get to your base, if you're close to one of our locations, we'll come and pick you up, bring you to the showroom, you can test drive the vehicle, and we'll walk you through the whole process. We can also arrange financing. We also have the best insurance rates in town, and all of the stuff that we need to do to get you through vehicle registration, through customs, and get you driving will be there the whole way. It's a little bit different to buying a car in the States, but like I said before, we've been doing it for a long time, and we'll walk you through the whole process hand in hand. So I've got about 120 cars in stock. Nearly all of them are U.S.Spec. All of them come with at least a 1-year warranty, and you can upgrade to 2 or 3 if you want to. And we have locations in Kaiserslautern and Ramstein and Stuttgart and Spangdahlem. We're the only dealership in the area that has won or come second place to Stars and Stripes Best Auto Dealer for the last 4 years running, and we're here to help. It's all part of the service. So fill in the form below, give us a call, hit us up on WhatsApp, and we'll help you out. Thanks.